हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, ये एक अच्छा सा क्वेश्चन करने वाले हैं ज्योमेट्री का। कुछ शॉर्टकट फैक्ट सीखने वाले हैं। तो इसी पे बेस्ड फिर एक छोटा सा फैक्ट इसमें चेंज किया जाए तो एक अच्छा ओलंपियाड का क्वेश्चन बन जाता है। तो क्वेश्चन को क्योंकि हम स्पीड से करना चाहते हैं, मैं डेटा बता देता हूँ। उसके बाद अगर आप चाहो तो एक बार इसको ट्राई करके देख लीजिए ताकि रियल स्ट्रगल पता चल जाए क्वेश्चन में असल में टाइम कितना लगने वाला है। फिर मैं जो बताऊंगा उसको यूज़ करेंगे। फिलहाल क्वेश्चन में ये दिया है, इन दिस ट्राइंगल ABC D is given as midpoint of BC, so BD will be equal to DC. P is given as midpoint of AD, that is giving AB equal to PD. ये तो गिवन हो गया। और हमसे ये पूछा है क्वेश्चन में, फाइंड आउट एरिया ऑफ APQ अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ABC, एरिया ऑफ APQ अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ABC। अब मैं थोड़े से फैक्ट बताऊंगा, उनको फॉलो करते जाइए और क्वेश्चन कैसे एकदम से होगा फिर वो ट्राई करेंगे। फिलहाल जिनको ट्राई करना है वो इस जगह वीडियो को रोक के इसको एक बार ट्राई कर लें कि कितना टाइम लगने वाला है। मैं अपने सोल्यूशन में क्या करूंगा कि D से एक लाइन ड्रॉ करूंगा विच इज पैरेलल टू BQ। वी ड्रॉ अ लाइन, this point we are taking as E. DE will be parallel to BQ. DE, this is construction, DE is parallel to BQ. अब एक बार ट्राइंगल ADE में देखिए, ADE triangle. If this line PQ is parallel to DE, we can use BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem. This ratio AP upon PD will be equal to AQ upon QE. But since P is midpoint of AD, this ratio is 1:1, so this ratio also will be 1:1. तो AQ QE ये ratio 1:1 आ गया। Again, look at triangle CQB. In this triangle again, this line DE is parallel to BQ. When lines are parallel, we can apply BPT again. So if this is midpoint, this is also midpoint, that we know, or else we can say CD is equal to DB. This ratio is 1:1, so this ratio also will be 1:1. This is already 1, hence we get this ratio as 1:1:1. If we look at this ratio AP is to PD, this is also 1:1. Okay. How do we use these ratios to find out this area? To find out ratio of this area to this area. Area of APQ will be 1:1. Product of these two sides 1:1. And area of not ABC but we are taking ADC, or I will write it again. For now we are finding area of APQ upon area of ADC. This area will be 1:1 and this complete area will be 2:3. This is 1 plus 1 2 and this is 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. 3 2 into 3. This ratio is 1/6. This is 1 and this complete area is 6. Look at another fact. If D is given as midpoint of BC, these two areas will be equal to each other when their vertex is common and ratio of base is given. This is 1:1. So these areas also will be 1:1. If this area is 6, this is also 6. So complete area will be 12. When this is 6 and this is also 6, complete area will be 12 and this area remains 1. So the answer to actual question will be 1/12. That's it. And the question related to these facts which was asked in Olympiads was, we draw another line from A to midpoint of DC. Let it be F. Let this point be F, which is given as midpoint of DC. And then we have to find out in this Olympiad question, let this point be R. In this Olympiad question, we were supposed to find out area of ARQ upon area of ABC. Area A. You can try this question and we will discuss this solution in next video. Thank you very much.